got some babies hatched out this morning.
Oh, who we got?
It's like mallards. We use mallards to help teach some of the other ducks how to eat when they're born, because some of them don't know how, but mallards do. And then once they get up bigger, then we usually just sell them. And we have some pea chicks. Oh, what color are you going to be? Almost looks like it's going to be a white. Looks like we had a good hatch with the pea chicks. Another little mallard. Another pea chick. I think there's something in the bottom. It is. A little feather. And over here, looks like we got a couple of mallards, mandarins. A couple of mandarins hatched out. If I can get them without taking off. Oh, buddy. Got the little mandarins. We'll take them out to the brooder.
Okay. Go to the next house.